Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to see locked profile on Facebook. But first, check out our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to access or view a Facebook account here that is locked or have their profile locked here, where there are a few things that you may want to know and you can actually do here. Now the thing with Facebook or with Facebook profiles here, if a person actually locks their profile, people will not be able to get much information in that account. So in this case, this is just for like emergency purposes, and if you really know the person in person. So basically, if you know this person personally, well, you'll have an option or you'll have a chance here to possibly connect to them or access their account due to like emergency reasons. Now, it's still subject for approval here. Facebook will give you access, but then again, you can still try it for yourself. So in this case, what we need to do is you want to go to Facebook app here and you want to go log in into your account and you want to go and just go to the search bar here and basically search for the Facebook account that is currently locked. Now from then on, once you do visit the profile here that is locked, what you need to do is you want to go and just basically take a screenshot of that profile and you'll be using that later on. So once you've done that, you want to go ahead and go to your homepage, click on the three bar icon, usually the top section here, and you want to go and scroll down a bit here, go to help and support, expand that. So you're going to just click on it to expand it further. And in here, you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says report a problem. Now go and click on continue to report a problem. Click on don't include, and you want to go and just scroll down a bit here until you see the option that says profile. Now, once you click on profile, you want to go and just type in the following. And again, like what I'm saying, depending on what you're going to add in here or use in here, the option for you or the possibility of you viewing this profile may be possible. Now, in this case, you may want to type in along the lines here that's saying, hi, requesting assistance accessing or connecting to FB account. And you may want to indicate that you know this person personally. Only indicate this if you do, if you really know this person. And also, you may want to provide some reasons why you want to connect or access their account here or view what's inside their profile. And from here, once you've done that, you can go and click on upload from phone and choose the profile photo or the screenshot that we took before. And once you upload that, go and click on send at the top right here, and you should be able to send a request to Facebook support here, and hopefully they would give you an option or the capability of viewing this Facebook profile due to, let's just say, emergency reasons. But that's about it. Now currently, this is the only way or possible way for you to see lock profiles on Facebook, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.